Hey guys, I have here 1975 Mercedes 240 diesel, and when I got this car, the previous owner stated it was running good, but he let it sit for many years. And when I brought this car to my place, I installed a new battery and was trying to start the car, but it did not work. And I diagnosed what's going on, and it looked like the fuel injector pump was not getting any fuel. And this type of old Mercedes diesels like 240D, 300D have common problem if you let cars sit for a long time. On the side of this injector pump, they have a little mechanical lift pump, spring loaded. And if you let the car sit for a long period of time, the spring get jammed and the pump will not gonna pump the fuel from the fuel tank. And you can take this main bolt and replace the spring or clean out, and it might work for you. But I had the whole used pump, so I just replaced the whole tank. And it takes usually 25 to 35 minutes to replace this pump. Has two bolts, 10 millimeter, and two fuel lines. Very easy, simple job, and you can save a day. Therefore, like you can see it here, the spring doesn't do its job. It's not pushing out. So that's the whole problem. And like you can see it, I'm trying to press in and the spring is not working. So you guys see what's happening here. But this little mechanical lift pump can put your Mercedes back on the road. And I hope this video was useful for some of you, and let me know in comment below, and thank you guys for watching my channel. Bye.